Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe. Living mirrors dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's all forgiven to my eyes. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven to my eyes. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. Sit out your touch. I can never feel so much. Don't wanna leave us in between. 'Cause when you lock me in, I'm in for life. Don't care, it's a cruel paradise. Say you'll be mine. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. Turn around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part was down below. I'm sorry I did not get a plan with me up last week, but I ended up getting sick because everybody in my house was getting sick. Thanks, Dad. And so I was like out of commission for last week, so I didn't even film last week's plan with me. So here's what I'm thinking. Here's the kid from last week. If you want to see me do a plan with me or a rewind plan with me for this week, just tell me a comment down below. I will have a link in the iCard to tell me if you want me to do this plan with me, because this was like a cute concept, so I would be willing to still do it. But I just want to know if you guys would like me to do a rewind plan with me. But going back to this week is beautiful. This is the Circus Act kit from Whimsical Plans. I will have her shop link down below because I am obsessed with her kits. I just bought 4 more. Sorry, not sorry. because I just love her kids so much, and they are always gorgeous. She never lets me down. And so, love this week. I love the circus vibes. I even put a Greatest Showman quote in the sidebar just because it gave me Million Dreams vibes. So I think this turned out awesome. Tell me what you think in a comment down below. And I just want to give a shout out to Ike Gemini for commenting in my last Plan With Me. It always means a lot that you comment in my Plan With Me's. And I just love replying to you guys in the comments. It just makes my day. And if you want to get shouted out in next week's video, don't forget to comment down below in this one. It takes me to the end of this video. You get a sneak peek of next week. So next week is also another Michael spread. So these are some stickers from one of my Michael sticker books. And so it's going to be a very colorful week, as you can see. A little bit different from these colors, a lot more brighter. So if you want to see when I do post this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. And if you want to keep up with me, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. I will have all those links down below. And until next time, this is Ivy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!